Good morning everyone. Welcome to our craft class. Today we are going to learn this cutie bird. Can you see? Yes, it's very interesting and very easy. Let's start. For this we need one big plate and one small plate. I am using silver foil plates. You can take any normal plate or you can make it with a chart paper also. Scissors, Fevicol, marker and pencil. Shall we start? Okay. Now, first of all, draw a circle here. Now cut this circle. For cutting, you can take help of your parents or elder brother, sister. You can ask for help. Now cut the circle. Like this. Okay. Now fold it in this way. Press it properly and make it even. Okay. Now here is the base ready. Now we'll cut wings. Fold this and draw wings. You can draw wings of your choice. Now cut it. Now cut it from the center, and if you don't want to cut it, not an issue, just fold it from this side like this and you can place it over here. Okay, and I feel it's little bit bigger than the body, so I'm going to make it small. Now there is the wings ready. Now put Fevicol in the center. If you want, you can staple it also. Now let it get dry. Meanwhile, we'll draw circle for face. We have to draw 2 circles. Okay. Now we are going to cut it. want to make it little bit oval, you can. So here is your circle ready. Now draw eyes on the circle. Now we'll make one beak. So, can you see a leftover? Okay. Now, cut it and fold it from this side. Cut it like this. So, here's your beak ready. Now we are going to stick it like this. If you want to staple it, you can. Okay. Now let's wait for 2 minutes. Let it get dry. See now it's time for sticking the tail. For this, either you can staple it or stick it. Choice is yours. Cut this part. So it will come like this. I'm going to staple it. If you want, you can. Stick it. See? Our bird is ready. I hope you all enjoyed it. Try to make it and send me your videos or pics. Thank you. Have a nice day.